Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you that how to update sources.list in Kali Linux. So first I want to give you a quick introduction about sources.list. It is a file located into /etc/app/sources.list directory of Kali Linux. To update the Kali Linux system, first we need to update the repository. Now why we need to update the sources.list? As I said before, the only way to update the Kali Linux is to update the repository. If user don't update the sources.list, then user can't update their system. As a developer and pentester, I would advise you to keep your sources.list updated to update system with latest tools, antivirus, firewall, and kernel. Let's see how to update sources.list. Open terminal and type leafpad/etc/apt/sources.list and hit enter. After that, open your browser and search Kali Linux repository on Google. Open this link. Copy these lines and paste on sources.list. And now save this file. After that, type apt-get update and hit enter. Now it will take little bit time. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any problem, please comment below. I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.